Hello and welcome everyone to Variety's Tech, and we're back again for another video. In this video I will show you how to bypass the Google activation screen FRP to the PLUS Nord N10 5G variant. This phone available through Metro, T-Mobile, and you can find the phone international as well. But before we start, make sure to subscribe to Variety's Tech if you haven't already, and encourage me, give me the thumbs up, that helps ton. Without any further ado, let's find out. Now this video only for educational purposes only. I'm not trying to help thieves, I'm just trying to help people on the phone and they forgot the password on the phone. Now the problem starts when you have this verification Google right there and you forget the email or the password of this email, and you forget the PIN or the pattern to unlock the phone. So you will have either to use the same pattern or use Google instead. So if you forgot both, then you need to do what I'm gonna tell you right now to do. Go ahead and go back to the home screen or the hello screen. Now the first option, we need to turn the Talkback on the phone. Normally in OnePlus I have noticed if you do it through the volume up down key sometimes doesn't work, so we're gonna go on the safe way. I'm gonna show you how it's gonna work for you 100%. So the best thing, just go to Vision Settings and then go to Talkback and enable the Talkback. Now here's what I did. I put the volume down so that way it doesn't actually hear something on the background, and then we hit allow. Then we need to choose and double click to close. It might take sometimes, just be patient. Select close, double tap on close. Now when we get the Talkback to be on, we need to do a gesture, and this gesture is going to be L, but as the opposite way. We start from the left, right, and then we go up, and then Google Assistant will appear. Now when you tap use voice command, you have to say Google Assistant. Google Assistant. Now from here tap on keyboard, and you need to type YouTube. And when you see YouTube, select and double tap, and that should open YouTube. Now go to the profile pictures on the top twice, select settings, double click, and then about, double click, Google privacy policy, double click, and then just no thanks. And then here we need to type the following: easy, flashing, it should appear over here, easy flashing FRP bypass 8.0 APK. Select and double tap, and then you have to go to the same website, easy flashing, select, and then you need to go down, so you need to scroll down, but you have to use two fingers. Now if you do one finger, it's not going to do, it's going to just select. So go ahead till you reach this screen, tap here, double tap on X. Now you just need to go down. You would see open settings, select and double tap. Now we have reached the settings right now. Now on the settings screen we need to switch off the Talkback because it's very annoying. So go ahead till you reach system, double tap system, accessibility, and then go to Talkback, double click, and turn off the Talkback. Now the Talkback is off, so we need to go back, and you need to stay on the settings screen, go to apps, and we need to go to see all 46 apps or whatever apps, 3 dots on the top, show system, Now here what I need you to search for, you have to type setup, and you're gonna see a Google partner setup. Go ahead and disable, force stop, go back, go to search, type Google Play Services, here, disable and force stop. Now you just need to go back to the welcome screen. So go ahead, back. Now just hit on start, hit agree, and then escape connect mobile network. Wait a few seconds and then don't copy. Now you just need to hit agree and then skip, and make sure you are on Naval Settle right there and hit next. Now make sure you put home screen request just like this. Hit next and start, and we're almost got there. So you guys can see now we're able to see the phone, the screen and everything. Now just go to the settings. We need to do a factory reset. Go to system, reset option, erase all data, reset, erase data, confirm, and erase all. Wait about 5 minutes and the phone should do factory reset, and then we're gonna come back to. Now after we complete the factory reset, hit start, hit agree, escape mobile network, set up offline, hit continue, next, you can escape or you can agree. And hit start, and the phone now back as the factory. No Google account attached or nothing. You can use your phone as normal. That was very much it for that video. If you guys find this video helpful, if it did and I help you, give me thumbs up, subscribe for more in variety tech. We'll talk to you in the next video.
Let's go. Yeah. I'm like an addict, do I gotta have it. I ain't even playing, got a really bad habit. If it moves, gotta grab it, fuse like a magnet. Lose, won't have it till I'm doomed in a casket. I ain't playing, got a weird mind. If you work 8 hours, I'ma work 9. If the shoot tastes sour, you should taste mine. I'ma stay in power for a long time.